Good morning children. I welcome you all to the next video of class 12th accountancy. We have started with the 6th chapter cash flow statement. This is part 6 and we are going to conclude the chapter in this video. This is the question that we are going to solve today. This is the continuing part of the question. So first we'll start with working note. Calculation of net profit before tax. Reserve and surplus they have given. You will subtract and you will get this. Then we'll add proposed dividend for the previous year and provision for tax. Already it is being given in the additional information. We are going to add. Your profit will become this. Then building account, brought down, carried down. Gain they have given, it will come this side. Loss would have come this side. Buy bank, sale will become the balancing figure. Provision for tax brought down here, carried down here. Then provision for tax, it is given in additional information, and to bank, tax paid, balancing figure will be this. Then plant and machinery brought down over here, carried down over here. Depreciation they have given in the additional information, and to bank, purchase will become the balancing figure. Now we move on to the solution. Cash flow statement for the year ended 31st March 2018. Net profit before tax you have already calculated. Then adjustment for non-cash and non-operating items. So depreciation on plant and machinery will be added. Less gain on sale of building. If it would have been lost, then you have added. Gain you have subtracted. Okay. This will become operating profit before working capital changes. Then add decrease in current asset and increase in current liability. Inventory and trade receivables you will add. Then less increase in current assets and decrease in current liability, that is trade payables. It will become this. Then minus tax paid. This will be cash flow from operating activities. Then you move on to investing activities, that is purchase of plant in minus. Then sale of building plus. Then purchase of goodwill because it is increasing. So purchase. It will become this cash used from investing activities. Then financing activities, issue of share capital. Then redemption of 15% debentures in minus. Then payment of proposed dividend. This will also be shown here because it is given in the adjustment. So it will be shown in two places. Then it will become this amount cash used from financing activities. You are going to calculate all three and it will come as minus 5,000, that is net decrease in cash and equivalents. You will add opening cash and equivalents, that is 25,000, and it will become 20,000 and it will be equal to closing cash and equivalents. Now this is the question that we are going to do right now. This is the continuing part of the question. Move on to the solution of this question. Net profit before tax, reserve and surplus they have given. Then provision for tax they have already given in adjustments. Then proposed dividend for the previous year you are going to add. So this becomes your net profit before tax. Then you will prepare provision for tax account, brought down over here, carried down over here. Provision they have already given. So to bank, tax paid, balancing figure is this much amount. Now we move on to cash flow statement for the year ended 31st March 2018. Net profit before taxes this much. Then adjustment for non-cash and non-operating items. They have given you fixed assets and then they have given you less accumulated depreciation. Earlier it was 37,000, then it became 57,000. So there is an increase of 20,000 that you are going to add. Now most important is they have given an additional information that additional debentures amounting to 5,000 were issued on 1st October 2017 and interest on debentures are paid up to date. So earlier it was 25,000. So how you are going to calculate interest on debentures? That is most important. On 25,000 you will calculate 8%. Then 5,000 is increasing. You will calculate on that 8% but for 6 months because it has been introduced on 1st October. So it will become 2,200. You are going to add this and it will become this operating profit before working capital changes. Then add decrease in current asset and increase in current liability. They have not given. Then less increase in current assets and decrease in current liability. Inventory, trade receivables and trade payables. You will subtract this. It will come this. Then less tax paid, that is 21,000. You will do that. Then it will come as cash flow from operating activities, that is used in bracket. Then move on to cash flow from investing activity, that is purchase of fixed asset. It is this much amount. Then you move on to cash flow from financing activity, issue of shares, then issue of 8% debentures, 5,000. Then comes repayment of cash credit, that is short term borrowings. I have already explained you this in the important notes. Then payment of interest on debentures, because it is over here also, it will come over here also. Then proposed dividend for the previous year will come this. Then cash flow from financing activity will become this amount. Now we move ahead to the question. So net increase in cash will become this, plus opening cash and cash equivalents is this much. So it will become as closing cash and equivalents is this much. Now cash credit, that is short term borrowings, will be shown in financing activities. I have already explained you. Now I am going to show you some questions so that you can solve them. You can practice this question. Then this is the continuing part of question number 46. Then move ahead to question number 47. You can practice this question also. So this was the entire chapter of cash flow statement. Now we are going to meet in the next video. Up till then, goodbye children.